Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode, what is this, 340? I think it's 348. Dude, I'm not sure. It's getting close, though. Super close. We're almost done. Anyway, today I skipped riding the bike. I woke up this morning, my back was hurting. I just was not feeling it. So I just chilled for a little while. I had some posting and all to do, so I got that all done. It is Veterans Day, so to all of our veterans out there, thank you for all of your sacrifices. Anyway, today I'm going to start on all the bikes, but first I'm going to start on the V-Rod. Before I can do that, though, my garage is a mess. You see all the leaves and the clutter and that drives me insane. Even like my tool cart, like I was just busy. I changed the motor on my Toyota and I just didn't clean up afterwards, which is pretty rare for me. So first thing I gotta do, get everything all cleaned up. Once everything's all cleaned up, then we'll start on the V-Rod and see what we're facing. So let's get busy. Alright, so I've got the starter solenoid off of the V-Rod. It mounts right there. Anyway, I took it apart. I figured out what's wrong with it. I don't know whether you guys can see that or not, but there are a couple of, see the copper wires sticking out there? Anyway, they are broke off of here. So those copper wires are supposed to be connected around this coil right here. So the wire has broken off. So I'm debating on whether I can fix it or not. I probably can fix it, but I think I'll see if I can find one first before I go the fixing it route. Worst case scenario is I'm gonna have to clip the old wires off of there, and then I'm gonna have to put the new wires down in there and figure out a way to hold them in, maybe solder or something. I'm not 100% sure yet. I will play with that once I get there. But anyway, that is the issue. Those wires right there are broken, and that is that's what made it stop working. Mystery solved. Now to repair it. Alright, so we're gonna take a ride down to the Harley shop. It's only like 7 miles from my house. See if they've got that starter solenoid. What do you think the odds are that they have it? I'm gonna say there's a 97% chance that they don't have it, and a 75% chance that they can't even get it. If that's the case, I think I figured out how I can fix it. So if I have to fix it, I'll fix it. We'll see what we come up with. Plus I get to take a ride. That sounds like the most fun. Anyway, away we go. Alright, so we made it to Bretz. They did not have the solenoid, but they could order it. So I had them order me a solenoid. I'll probably fix the old one and put it on the shelf as a spare, because I was really surprised they had this. Who knows if the next time I need one, they'll have one. So I'll fix the old one, I'll put the new one on the bike, and then I'll have a spare. Anyway, this is what it looks like in the winter. They haven't even started yet with the band, but it's gonna be a packed house today for sure. And I'm gonna go back, and I guess I can't put the V-Rod back together yet. I can fix the oil leak, I can change the oil, I can have it all back together, except that solenoid. The solenoid's only 4 bolts. Pretty simple to put back together once it shows up. So let's get back to the house and get that finished. All right, been a busy afternoon. In fact, I didn't record me having the V-Rod apart, but you can see the air box is off, charging up the battery. I did have this all off. I have replaced the O-rings in this right here, and of course the gasket there. I didn't have another gasket, so it's a metal gasket with maybe a little silicone on it to make it seal up good. But now it's I'll let that silicone set overnight before I start it up. I do need to finish changing the oil on it, and then I'm just waiting on the solenoid from Harley. Probably be a week before I get that. So we sit here and we wait. I'll put it all back together and push it back to the other garage and get it out of my way. And then, so while I've been kind of double timing today. So I also got a wild hair and said, you know what? I wonder if I can get the old RC car running again. So I pulled out all the boxes of parts and pieces I have from years ago. When I say years ago, I'm talking 20 years ago. That's how long ago I've had this. So way before I came to Florida. And I know it hasn't been started. Well, I don't think it's been started since I've been here in Port Charlotte. I do remember having it running in Cape Coral. So I'm going to say at least 4 or 5 years since this rig has been running. So of course all the batteries are screwed. And so I went and got all new batteries and everything. I think we're ready to fire it up. So let's see if we can get her fired up and going. Put some gas in it first. Son of a bitch. All right. I tested all the electrical stuff once I put batteries and all in it, so let's get to that one. So we got turny. I turned the motor over a few times. I had sprayed it down before I put it away, so I had lube in the cylinder, so it turned over fine. Let's see. There we go. Let's go play with it. Let's see if I can do this without hitting the camera. Oh, it died. It's alive, and it's getting bashed. There she is. 20 years old and still going. I also went by the hobby shop today and found out that there is a park with a track like 30 minutes from here. So I'm gonna eventually pack that thing up, go to the park, and have a little fun on the course they have there. So should be a good time. Anyway, I know a lot of people aren't into RC stuff, and that's fine. What do you guys think? Because I'm gonna be out playing with it. Do you want me to include that in my videos, or you just want me to just leave that part out? You guys will never have to see it again. Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, that's it. I think I'm done for the night. Just gotta wait for that to dry. I'll probably push it over to the other garage so I can back my bikes back in, clean up a little bit, and chill for the night. Mama Badger's not home yet, so anyway, I think that's the end. I got something cool I'm gonna do tomorrow, so I'll take you guys along with me. I think it's cool. We'll see if you think it's cool or not. Anyway, that's the end. That's it. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.